Good morning, dear children. So today we will see or we will start up with a new chapter, that is subtraction. So you people already have done so far in class 2. So the same thing will be repeated out here, okay, with the same rules. So let me show you the first one, okay. The other things you'll have to do on your own at home. So it is 4, 2, 6. After that 3, 1, 4. So how will you do it? 6 minus 4 it is 2, 2 minus 1 it is 1, 4 minus 3 it is 1. So this is your answer. Fine. So now I will show you one more, that is number 2. It's of 336107. How do you do it? Like the 6 and 7. So you cannot deduct just from 6 to 7 because 6 is lesser than 7. So what you do is you borrow 1 from here, so it will be 16 and it will be 2. So like 16 minus 7 it will be 9 and here it is 2. So as it is 0, so 2 minus 0 it is 2 and here it will be 2 and here it will be 3 minus 1 it is 2. So 2 to 9 is the answer. Okay, so like how you'll have to perform the other means rest of the maths. Okay, now I will tell you some more things that you need to do at your home by your own. That is, will you add or subtract to get the answer? Solve the problems. That is, a book has 300 pages. Deepa has read 95 pages. How many more pages does she have to read? That means 300 pages. Okay, from 300 pages you deduct this 95 pages, so automatically you will get the remaining pages that she needs to Deepa has to read. Next is Mintu read 125 pages of a book. He has to read 85 more pages to finish the book. How many pages does the book have? Okay, so Mintu already read 125 pages of a book. He has to read 85 more pages to finish the book. How many pages does the book have? So what you need to do, you'll have to add this 125 with 85, then it will give you the total page number. Okay, next is a baker made 500 cup cakes. He sold 332 cupcakes. How many cupcakes were not sold? Simple, 500 minus 332. Okay, so it will give you the not sold number. A baker sold 2 to 5 buns to one shop and 3 to 4 buns to another shop. How many buns did he sell in all? What do you do? Need to add, it will give you the total answer. Children counted flowers in the school garden. There were 254 roses and 436 lilies. Okay, lilies. How many more lilies than roses were there? That means what? There was a garden and there were 255 roses and 436 lilies. So how many more lilies than roses were there? Do add, so automatically this will come. Next is subtract of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, simple, same way you'll have to do all these things. 8780 minus 2060. So what you do is do add as I have shown. It is nothing there to show again. Okay, do the thing that I had shown you with a single number of maths that I have done now so far. So all these things are in the same manner. So you try this subtraction. Okay, we will see these things on the next class, but you put a try on this also, because these are all, either it is multiplication, not multiplication, subtraction of 2 digits number or 3 digits number or 4 digits or 5 digit or 10 digits, whatever it is, the rules will be followed same for all the digits. Okay, so you'll have to do in that manner only. So even here I will show you, I will say you for these things also. Like in a school library there are 4653 story books and 2341 subject books. How many more story books are there than subject books? Okay, do subtract this one, so it will come automatically. A farmer collected 2568 mangoes from his mango orchard. He sold 1235 mangoes. How many mangoes are left? Do subtract this one. A cycle cost 1085 rupees. Ashok has rupees 850. How much more money does he need to buy the cycle? This also will be subtracted from. Okay, so how you will get the answer of it? So let's do this much. You put it right for all this, right from here also, right from here itself you put it right. Okay, I suppose you people can do this because the rules are the same for all digits subtractions. So have a great day.